Hey there, today we are looking at the POGTMM Black Plaid Knitted Fitted Sweater Blazer. This stylish piece features a sophisticated shawl collar and trendy 3/4 ruched sleeves. Made from soft yet structured polyester, it delivers comfort and professionalism for any office setting. The open front design adds a chic touch while remaining completely versatile for daily wear. You can easily transition this cardigan jacket from work meetings to casual weekend outings. It is machine washable for effortless care through every season of the year. Upgrade your wardrobe with this sleek and structured blazer today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.